All right, this is how you will check to see if you still need 2019-2020 CE because you took advantage of the deadline extension due to COVID. You come to ncrec.gov, you go to login, licensee. The default login is your license number and the last 4 digits of your social security number. So if you haven't changed it, that will be your login. You log in, you come down, the third link is going to be CE license information. And normally you would check for your current year's license hours up here, but we're actually looking for last year's. So you want to come down here to this column and you need to see both an elective and an update, or if you did not take the update, you need to see 2 classes for the 1920 year right here. If you do not see 2 classes with the 1920 year, you need to take a class before the end of this month.